Hello, we're here today to talk to you about Zyppah. Now, Zyppah is this cute little mouth guard designed to help with snoring. It's very easy to use, works wonders. My husband snores, and because of his snoring, I often don't get sleep. So we really wanted to try this out. Other products over the counter, they just don't help. Like the nasal strips never help. So we wanted to give this a try. It's really simple, easy to use. It comes in this little kit, and the kit is just the mouth guard and a little container for the mouth guard. And the box also has this little pamphlet, and the pamphlet has super easy instructions of like how to use it. I'm just going to show you real quick, like super easy. You just get some hot water, boiled water, put it in a microwave safe bowl, put this in the water, give it about a little less than a minute, put it in your mouth, form it to your mouth, and then rinse it under cool water so it keeps the form. And it recommends that you use it for about a week before you start noticing results, but I started noticing the results the first night. He said it was difficult at first to kind of get comfortable with it, but that was just the first night, and he got used to having something in his mouth, sleeping, and now he is not snoring, and I get to sleep, which is nice for a parent. Sleep is important. I would definitely give Zyppah like a 5-star rating just because of how easy it is to use. The instructions are so easy. The little mouth guard it's a very nice quality of a mouth guard. It's nothing like you would get like at Walmart or something. I would definitely recommend anyone, at the very least, try it out and see if Zyppah works for you or for your spouse or someone that you know that's snoring is keeping them from getting good sleep and from keeping you from getting good sleep. So try it out. Again, it's Zyppah, and it's a mouth guard that helps you get high quality sleep if you have issues snoring or if someone you know has issues snoring. Try it out. The product is good for 6 months. So that's not bad at all. I hope you guys definitely get a chance to give it a try.